in the exercise number 2, you will have to learn how to make slurs. This line between two notes is a slur. That means that you will have to play both notes using the same bow direction. Unlike in exercise number 1, when you would stop the bow and start the following note playing in the opposite direction, here two notes will follow each other and your bow will keep going the same direction. You will play two notes down bow and then two notes up bow. And then you will repeat it over and over again. This is a repeat sign. That means when you see that, you will have to go to the beginning of exercise or where you see another repeat sign facing opposite direction. In this case, you have this repeat sign right at the beginning of the exercise. This is where you will go, and then you play it again and disregard the repeat sign and finish the exercise when you see the double bar line. We will use the whole bow for two notes. That means each of the note will get half of the bow. By now, you know what the slur is? This line which connects two or more notes. You see it and you play in the same bow direction. And now in the exercise number 3, we will play 4 notes per bow. That means you will not be changing the bow until you play all 4 notes. When you have so many notes per bow, you have to make sure that you don't use too much of the bow for first few notes. We will call it a bow distribution. If you have control over the bow distribution, you always have enough bow saved for the last few notes. And if it doesn't happen, then you will have no bow to use to play those notes, and it will sound as if you have no air in your lungs to sing. No good sound will be possible to make. In the exercise number 4, we will have to play the eighth notes. That means you will have to play yet faster than in a previous exercise. And first part of that, we will be playing 4 notes per bow and then even 8 notes per bow. You see, the level of difficulty goes up. Be careful. If it's too hard to play 8 notes per bow, don't force yourself to do it right away. It's more important to play fewer notes for each bow, but with better sound quality, rather than to push yourself to play many notes, like 8 notes per bow. And again, if you're patient enough and you repeat 2 and 4 notes per bow many times, it will be much easier for you to be able to play 8 notes per bow.